Mr. or Mrs. Entrepreneur. I'm so glad that you came to this page because one of the things that I am most passionate about is spending quality time with entrepreneurs that are looking to go to that next level. See, so many people are at that 6-figure, maybe 150, maybe 175, but they want to go to the $250,000, the 500,000. Right? And if they want to go there, I'm probably the person that can help you get there. And here's why. I've worked with so many entrepreneurs that love their business, but they're working too hard. They know they could be earning more, but for whatever reason, they're kind of plateaued. They're kind of stuck. And I know the key to getting you over that is belief. And belief is such a powerful thing because if you don't believe up here that you can actually make that kind of income and have the lifestyle and be able to give to charity as freely as you want to, then that could be the issue. One of my main things I help people with is overcoming their beliefs that are stopping them. So believe is my word, and I know I can help you believe more. I have 1 day, 2 day, or even an exclusive 3-day package where you would come and spend that time with me here in beautiful Northern California. My husband and I love to entertain, so we would actually spoil you rotten while we work a lot to make sure that we help you take your business to that next level. I have no doubt that I can have you believing more in you, your business, and your expertise, and that the lifestyle that you want is right at your fingertips. I dare you to challenge me on it. I'd love to see you here in Northern California. Please make sure to look at the video blogs and all the blogs that I have on this site, but also sign up for one of those packages. It will be absolutely worth it because remember, no matter what you do, you just gotta believe.